Hey, it's a beautiful day out here in Great Falls, Virginia, and just had to take advantage of it to come out here to shoot the market report. So stay tuned to find out what is going on in the Northern Virginia market and what that means for the buyers and the sellers. This is Sean Price with eXp Realty, and this is this week's 7-day market report. So what we've experienced is our buyers are having opportunities. We've actually gotten a couple buyers under contract this week that have been battling and losing against 20, 25 offers in the previous weeks. In the last 2 weeks, we've seen that buyers are typically battling between maybe 6 offers, sometimes 10 offers, but it's definitely a much more manageable opportunity. And our buyers have gotten used to the fact that they're going to have to offer above asking price. They've prepared themselves appropriately so that they can waive the appropriate contingencies, and they've gotten a good understanding of terms and how to use those terms to make strong offers. So sometimes it takes a buyer 2 or 3 losses to gain an understanding to be able to do that, and we have our buyers are actually understanding that a lot quicker because they're staying in touch with the market reports and they know what's going on and they know what it's going to take to win in this market. So if you're a buyer and you're having a hard time winning, let us know. We can help you through the process, teach you how to use terms to your advantage, and teach you what you can do to make your offers stronger and to make them get accepted. On the seller side, sellers, if you have a good product to bring to the market, you will have success with it. You will get a strong premium price for your property, and now is the time. Inventory is slowly starting to uptick, as you're going to see in the graphical part of this video. You'll see the inventory is slowly starting to uptick, so there's still going to be opportunity as we move through the spring and into summer, but right now the opportunity is so strong because the inventory is only beginning to go up, so there's less competition for you as a seller. So if you're a buyer and you have questions, if you're a seller and you have questions, please feel free to let us know, and we are happy to help out. All right, let's get over to the graphics so that you can see actually what's going on statistically. Okay, now for the graphical demonstration of what's happened in the last 7 days here in the Northern Virginia real estate market. You can see by the orange line here that buyer activity increased by about 14% in the last 7 days. Inventory actually decreased by about 23%. You can see that overall, we've had a general uptick in inventory, which is what we expect to see as we enter into the spring and summer market. And you can see that as that activity has increased, buyer activity has just continued to increase, and there's just been a continual gap between inventory and between buyer activity. So inventory is kind of at this point a predictive measurement for us. So when inventory goes up, then we can say very likely in the next 7 days, buyer activity is going to go up because there's more properties to buy and the buyer demand is still there. So this week, since inventory dropped, we have to expect that next 7 days buyer activity will drop a little bit. Again, that is not because there's no demand for the product, it's because there's no product to buy. So right now, it is still a very strong seller's market. So what does this mean for buyers? Well, first of all, you can see that demonstrated right here, just a very strong seller's market. We're staying in a significantly high seller's market. So what does this mean for buyers? Buyers, you have to be strategic with your offers. You have to be prepared to search properties in a way that allow you to bid above market price to be able, or above asking price, so that you can compete to get into a property. The good news for you is that about 3, 4 weeks ago, we were battling, our buyers were battling between 15 and 20 offers. Now they're only battling between 6 and 10 offers. So there's still a lot of competition, but because there's been a slow uptick in inventory, there's not as much competition, but you still have to be very strategic with your offer and you still have to be very strong with your offers. Take steps to prepare yourself. Get your full underwriting pre-approval. Make sure that you are looking at properties that allow you the flexibility to make a strong enough offer. Make sure you understand the terms and how to utilize terms to make your offer stronger. It's not all about the price point. So if you have any questions about that, please feel free to reach out to us. I'm happy to walk you through it. On the seller side, if you are considering selling a property, now is the time to get that property on the market. If you bring a good product to the market and it's priced fairly, you will get a premium price for the property, and you will actually get above your asking price. So it's a phenomenal time for sellers as well. All right, if you have any question, buy side or sell side, please feel free to reach out to us, and we will see you on next week's video.